guys, this is Mia from MiMo Design Laser Pulse. I'm accompanied with my little son Felix because today we will show you how we painted these jumping jack sunsets. Can you show us? It's so cute. So stick around and watch the videos. Felix is painting the already assembled version that I think is perfect as a DIY kit. He is using a combination of Sharpies and also my acrylic paint markers. He just turned 4 a couple of weeks ago, so I actually think he is doing pretty great. I am painting the layered version of the jumping jack. Both projects are cut from 4mm plywood, but my layering is cut from white hardboard that is 1/8 inch thick. It isn't as easy to color as the wood is, so I will have to make 2 coats on the white. The chalk paint I'm using is from Fleur, and the name of the red is Red Oxide. The white is White Sugar, and you can find links below to Amazon on both my chalk paint and also my markers. I am painting the front and the back of everything because I want it to look pretty on both sides. The white I'm also taking to the edges so it will look a little better, and also in the end I will apply some glitter. Felix also wanted glitter on his, but he kind of lost his patience in the end. So instead he went ahead and played with Lego, and I promised him that we would find some glitter for his Santa version tomorrow. But if you think he did great, I know I did, please drop a comment below because he really wants to know what you think about his paintwork. So here's the finished results, and I think they are absolutely adorable. I can't wait to hang these on our own Christmas tree. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to know how I assembled my version, you can find it linked here.